You want? Can I watch?
Oh, Natalie, there's a huge present over here for you from, it looks like, who's it from?
Where?
No.
Charlie.
Is that your cousin? Remember your cousins are buying presents for you?
Yes. Can we all open it together? A
Wow.
calendar!
You got your own calendar, Claire.
Oh, that's awesome.
Claire, it's not just one ball. Let me see what it is. What's the theme? Hello Kitty. Peter.
Peter, let Natalie do it.
Stop. It's a giant present. Yeah.
Peter, where's your football, bud?
Oh, it's over there. It's in the file. There we go. Peter, stop it. This is my present.
This is from Charlie. Remember we were doing a present exchange with the cousins?
Oh, double wrap! Oh, it's a box. Yep. Still kind of wrapped though. It's in a box. Well,
Hey, Claire, aren't you going to open your presents? You still have presents there. Over here.
can someone open this gigantic box? Please.
Yep.
I don't have any more.
Yes, you do.
It's not in there.
Right there. The green one? And that one? Yep. Peter, be careful of the camera, please. Put the camera down.
No way! Oh, those sticky things that you want, like. Sticking!
Don't throw.
Mommy! I pretended this.
Hold on.
Mommy! Mommy!
Oh, yay! So fun!
What is that?
What do you think it is?
What is it? A suitcase?
No. Why don't you sit down?
Like this?
Yes.
Awesome!
How's that?
Awesome. Can I see it? I didn't
Claire,
see it.
Claire. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, that's all my coins out of there.
Yeah.
Second.
Go this way so your paper rests here. We'll have to Skype with Charlie and say thank you. Look, and then the handle is to carry it.
There's a hand.
For,
And I can even carry
for
it.
wherever you need it.
Mama!
Oh,
just
look
got
at that!
You're American Girl.
That's awesome, Claire.
Ah, can we open my doodle pet? Please, please, please.
Claire, there, you have a blue present down there.
Wait, no, hold on, Natalie, hold on.
So you have ice here. Mommy, I got. Who's this from? Christmas.
Yeah,
What does it say?
great.
No.
Look on the inside.
La la la. I don't know.
Says, love, baby cousin Graham.
Oh, Graham sent you a present? He's
Yeah.
only 8 days old.
You went out shopping?
Oh my! Open it. That is so sweet. Graham sent you a present. You ripped the ribbon. Good job. You cut out the in the box.
You gotta read it.
Need a little help?
Oh, look at that bacon here.
I know I got it in my stuffing. Popcorn.
It's a nightlight, Claire. Doc McStuffin nightlight.
Good, right? Like it? Mama! Graham sent me a nightlight!
Oh, look at that wonderful nightlight. That is so nice. Wow, that's so nice. Let's send a picture to Graham. Show me the nightlight. Natalie, get your lap dust. We'll send a picture to Charlie. Oh, yeah. That's funny.
Where
Over there.